Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Dice Paul, and hope you guys are doing great. I know it's been a little bit longer time, so a lot of things in personal life. Basically, I had my marriage course. For the ones who don't know, in this Christians, we have something called marriage course, which we need to do and get a certificate. And after that, we have to give it to our church priest, and that's when we get an permission to get married in the church from both the end. So because of lockdown and all those, it was made into online. So I had to sit front of the system 3 days. Obviously, they will check. They'll ask questions to me, and it was a little bit in English and Malayalam. So I'm a little bad in Malayalam. It's my mother tongue, but still I have brought up in Bangalore. So I was very carefully listening to the session. I couldn't, bunk all the session. So I was dedicatedly into it. So therefore, like there's a lot of things are there, and a lot of preparations needs to be done. So during this time, a very less time I have or to do on YouTube and all those stuff. So yes, I have a plan B also for that. So I told my traders, like Mr. Aman, I told him to do some contents so that I can post on my channel learning content, something for my Smart Trader family. So it's basically like a family. If many people, if Smart Trader family videos have helped you, we have 500 plus free videos. If it has helped you, if you want to give some gratitude, then you can make some video and give it to the people. Talk out your ideas and whatever you learned and tell it out to the people. So I thought, even in my absence during these busy days, I can post some videos, learning videos especially on the channel, so that whoever is learning continues to learn. So the show must go on. So yes, I've told him, let's see what contents he will make and how we will work on it. And I will also sit with him, and I will try to get some work to be done, which I can post along with my videos also. And if anyone who has been, if Smart Trader has helped you, these videos have helped you, and you today from a beginner, Smart Trader channel is more for a beginner. So if this beginner thing helped you, and today have, if you have advanced or if you learned something better, if you want to share some of the ideas or some of the learnings what you have done, which will benefit our crowd, then definitely you can come over me, or you can do a video and you can let me know before doing a video. If you are interested, then I will tell you where to send me the video. I will post it on my YouTube channel, and yes, you can mention your name and you are part of Smart Trader family. Okay, so anyways, it's all for learning. Apart from that, yes, for the ones who didn't know, on YouTube, because on Telegram and WhatsApp I've already told, I am not taking this 25,000 one-on-one sessions, because every hour I have to sit and talk to a student and finish the class and go to the next student. So I used to get drained out. So my students will be knowing I used to take only 2 days initially. Slots used to get full all the from morning to afternoon 12 to night 10. Then later part, what happened, it because of the lockdown, I never thought, because of the lockdown more number of people are learning. So 3 days became full. So because of 3 days becoming full, I'm not getting time to do on YouTube. So I'm not getting the time when I will not have that energy or time. Even in the breaks, I go and have my lunch and I get back, or my tea, or if I have to take a quick break, I take in the gap. So I felt somewhere pressure on me, because I'm spending every hour with a student and talking. Now I felt low energy and all those. So I thought, okay, let's not cut down my time, because if I don't develop myself, if I keep on learning something new, then I can't keep giving new to my crowd. Okay, I can give only whatever I have. So keeping my personal development, also personal life, because marriage and all those things are coming. Because of lockdown, too many complications, too many things is there, procedures are there. I have to run around in my home. So I have to take care of everything. So that's the reason I'm not getting much time. So plan B is, our traders also have to do video on this particular channel. If you guys also want to support Smart Trader family, post it. It's a family for everybody. It's learning for everybody. It is free for everybody. So if you really, just like how I have shared 500 plus, if you have been motivated, if you learn something, even you can share something with me, only on a positive note. No competition, no copying somebody's content and giving it to me and posting, and later they say it's his content or his content. No, if you think it is genuine, if you really want to genuinely help somebody, then post your video. You only have to make a video, you only have to talk as a trader. As you can mention, you're a beginner, you're advanced or intermediate, you can tell and make some video for Smart Trader family only. Okay, only for learning purpose. All right, so apart from that, okay, yeah, 25,000 training I have cut down. So no more requests on 25,000, because I can't take it. I gave a deadline also on Telegram and WhatsApp, and so many people have joined. It will take more 2.5 months for me to finish these all students. Okay, my one-on-one session. So I'm only doing this video session of personal training, where you get only for 12,000, you get this video sessions. So you have to learn by yourself. I don't have to talk every class and I get tired. So you have to learn by yourself. Any doubt is there, that is when they will WhatsApp me and be in touch with me. So WhatsApp contact will be only with my personal training number only, and learning is by self. So have any doubt on that videos, you can message me and ask me. and you can be have a bonding with me and advice and mentorship. That's how a mentor program is going on. Anyways, I don't want to market that much because my time will go more on that. Anyways, Aman is doing a one-on-one session on Zooms, so most of them on Telegram and WhatsApp will be knowing this. He's taking sessions on Zoom, so he takes up live session on Zoom together everybody, so I think that is more productive for him. So he's from North Star Advisors. He works for Smart Trader from long years. So yes, going forward, he'll also start doing some video for this channel. I've asked him to do some videos in our channel also. So anyways, if you like him only, you can learn from him and all those. That is secondary. Anyways, apart from that, talking about Zerodha, that were the most of the updates. Anyways, I'm just waiting for my silver button. And thanks for voting on my Telegram. If you're not on my public Telegram channel, go to my join my public Telegram channel. And thanks for voting for the giveaway idea. I got an idea now how to create the prizes so that our crowd will be interactive. And I'm just waiting for my silver button, which was stuck for from March. It is stuck, and it was stuck with customs, and I had to send some emails, and some miscommunication happened, and lockdown. It's not shipping, and now in Bangalore from tomorrow onward, it's a lockdown for 5 or 7 days something. So therefore, it is taking some time. So it will definitely reach. So once it reach, I can do a giveaway to our crowd. Anyways, you can also wait for that. So these are the few updates which I have as of now. Later, I will come up with more updates. But yeah, Zerodha, very very important update. So if you see, Zerodha has upgraded a very nice feature which really impressed me. And once it came and it went back in one day, so I didn't do a video. I just waited for 2 days. It has not gone now. This is the second day. It is live. So few features are, for example, you have an option called trade. Okay, so before some other brokers had to have this feature. So a lot of my students used to tell me this feature is good and this broker. So I used to think, why not Zerodha? Now finally Zerodha also have that feature. You can put immediate buy, CNC or MIS order, put your quantity or increase your quantity here, put a buy or put a sell, and if you want to adjust your price, just drag it. You see the price in the side, it is moving. So you can adjust your price based on this movement. Same way when you set your target or stop loss also, you can adjust based on these way. So anyways, we will explore this. I have not tried it, so I will also try it. You also try it out. Just put a number of one quantity whenever you're practicing. If you're paper trading, don't do this. If you're trading already in Zerodha, put one quantity and try it out. If it's really helping you, trust me, it will help for me. So I hope for you guys also it should help. It is a very fast way to enter and exit and alter your stop loss, alter your target. When it is spiking, I'll push my target up, or it is coming down, I'll push my target down and I will exit. Anyways, apart from that, you have one more feature. I think it is orders. So let's say if you put orders, if you've taken orders on Reliance, it will plot. You buy it here, you sell, sold here, bought here, sold here. It will show where are your orders. So anyways, that also we need to check out how this works. And best one and the favorite one is lot of indicators have been added like CPR and candlestick patterns and many things. So we have a list of new indicators added directly to this setup, because this chart IQ is not like TradingView has so many options. This has less options, but Zerodha has got those options to chart IQ. So now this chart is so simple, it has most of the features right now. My favorite indicator now is, I know CPR is most commonly spoken indicator and it is trending indicator. We will investigate about that later part, but my favorite one is, as of now I'm excited, is about candlestick patterns. Candlestick patterns is because, see, when I used to learn all these MBA modules, I used to learn by heart all these the Harami, hammer. I used to by heart this meaning, and I used to forget after a few months because I used to not use it much. And now, and it is difficult to go and find which candle is hammer, which candle is doji. Right now, it automatically names the candles. Okay, maybe on a higher time frame, it is more better. See, for example, you got a what is the spinning top over here. So like this, and you can, if you don't know the meaning, it's very easy. Just few seconds, Google it in the next page. What is the spinning top? So it will say bullish, bearish, and all those. Then you will get to know, okay, it has created now. Maybe the stocks will go up in few days. So now to analyze has become so easy. Don't need to do manual calculations or manual checking of the diagrams, and you miss out certain. Here, many things are plotted automatically. Now put your other parameters and try to take a trade based on it. I know, I'm sure you will do paper trading, but I'm saying now it is more easy. So this is a feature which I never thought will come, because I used to do manually and find out for short-term trading. But now these features are already there on the chart. Now I think it's going to be very, very easy for us to trade. But anyways, let's explore more. Now it's easy for me to teach you these theories of technicals. Okay, all this candlestick pattern and all those. So once we learn that, don't need to identify manually. You, if you see the name, you know this is the meaning so and so. All right. So anyways, so this is a wonderful feature. Apart from that, we have many other. You have the CPR, that is something like central pivot range. So that's called CPR. So this is one more pivot which is most commonly used. I have not used it much. I'm not that good in this particular thing, but definitely my students are using this. So I will try to take some help from them or someone who knows about it. I will try to research and learn, and then I'll get back to you guys definitely. So you guys also research. If you also want to think like me, go and research. Everything needs a little bit of hard work. Once you learn it, then it will look very easy for you that you know it. Okay, so put some efforts along with me. If you want to learn, you also investigate, or else I will also investigate. Anyways, I think I am getting a call. I mean, yeah, so today I'm gonna get my bike, so one of my dream bike. So yeah, my angel broking capital, everything, upstock capital, everything has been put, because I had to do the payment, or else I have to wait for longer time, because of lockdown you're not getting these vehicles. So the lot has come. He told you to do immediate payment. Somehow I arranged all the money and I given him. So let's see. Today I will post on my Instagram and Facebook if I get my bike. Luckily, he's calling me. If I get my bike, I will post so you can see which bike it is. It is one of my dream bike. With great difficulty, I have taken it. So anyways, let's wait and see. It's calling. I think maybe regarding it has been delivered or something. It has reached the showroom. So I will go and collect the bike today. So before that, I have to post this video and I will do all those. So stay tuned, guys. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.